Hi everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss how to locate root 5, root 10, etc. on the number line as independent. Okay, what is the specialty of these numbers? That is, root 5 is just come after root 4. Root 4 is a perfect square. Okay, 4 is a perfect square, so root 4 is a natural number, right? Same way, root 10 is just come after root 9. Root 9 is a natural number, right? Because 9 is a perfect square. So such numbers we can locate independently. That we have to discuss in this session. In the last session, we already discussed how to locate the numbers root 2, root 3, root 4, etc. by the square root spiral method. Okay, so we are going to discuss how to locate root 5 on the number line. Okay, in the last session we already discussed how to locate root 5 on the number line. First we have to draw root 2, then root 3, then root 4, then root 5. But here root 5 we can write as root 4 plus 1. Root 4 square plus 1 square, right? Root 5 equal root 4 square plus 1 square. So root 4 we already get as 2. Root 4 is equal what? 2. So in the number line we have to start from 2. Then directly we will get root 5. For that first we have to draw number line. We have to draw the number line first. Then here we have to start from 2 because root 4 is 2. But here we have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, through 2 we have to draw perpendicular line. Either protractor or compass you can use. Okay, which is easy for you, that you can use. Here I will show how to draw perpendicular line by using protractor as above questions. Okay. For that we have to put the compass at 2 and take any measure by the compass and draw the arc to left and right. And by taking any measure and draw the arc to up from one point and from the other point too. Now we will get an intersecting point. Join that intersecting point at 2. Take the distance between 0 to 1. This is the unit distance, right? Then from 2 we have to draw the arc to this perpendicular line. Now we have to join the 0 to this intersecting point. Okay, here we can give this as C, this as D. Okay, now we have to join this 0 to D or O to D. This length OD is root 5. Then as above session, I already told this much distance we have to take O to D. That distance we have to take, put the compass at one point O and take the distance OD. Take the distance OD. Then draw the arc. This point will be root 5. Okay. This is how to locate root 10 on the number line. For that we have to draw a number line. Root 10 is before, after root 9. Root 9 means what? 3. So we have to start with the 3. So from 3 I draw 2 arcs to left and right by taking the same measure. And from that 2 points I draw these 2 arcs with any measure, but both should be same. Then join this intersecting point and 3. Now we have to take the distance between 0 to 1. Always we have to take the distance between 0 to 1. Okay. So here between 0 to 1, this is the distance. Then draw the arc from this 3 to this perpendicular line. The next step is we have to join this point to 0. Here we join this point O to D. Then we have to take the distance between OD, because this is the distance root 10. Okay. Then we have to take the distance between 0 to D. Here I took this distance between O to D and draw the arc. Now this is the point which represent root 10. Okay. Dear children, I would like to conclude our today's session now. Before that, I want to say one thing. You have to draw or locate the points root 5 and root 10 on the number line. Okay, that you have to do in your notebook. Then one test paper question is there that you have to attend properly and send it back soon. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.